Here we go, guys. So this is a Coco chocolate shot, and this is a new drink that I like having at least one a day. So I'm doing our beautiful Coco shot named after the coffee dog Coco. And what I'm going to do now is just put a coffee shot on top of it. And this is what I call an Espresso Mocha. So this is a great morning, afternoon, even evening drink. Perfect. And you can get both the Coco coffee shots, espresso capsules, and the coffee on the website. It's our new reintroduced product. Give it a go. It's yum.